The hydrodynamic shaft seal operates contact-free and without wearing parts. Let's take a look at how it works. When the pump starts to rotate, the centrifugal force pushes the regulator weights outward. The weight's radial movement pushes the shaft and impellers towards the suction side. When the machine shuts down, the centrifugal force decreases. The springs pull the shaft back to its initial position. At standstill, the shaft passage is sealed by the ring valve. During operation, the shaft moves forward, opening the ring valve. The shaft passage is hydrodynamically relieved by the suction pressure, ensuring a contactless, leak-free seal. When the machine is shut down, the decreasing of centrifugal force causes the shaft to be returned to its initial position by spring force. The ring valve closes and seals at standstill. The contact-free, hydrodynamic shaft seal offers a reliable sealing option for media where conventional seal systems reach their limits.